Hey guys, welcome back. So I've decided to do a planner video once a week, just to share with you guys what I'm using, what I'm loving. No surprise, I'm using these Sharpie S-Gel pens. If I end up grabbing a highlighter, I will be using my mild liners. They're my favorite. The kit I'm using is MK302. This is from Planner Kate, and so it's a wintry January kit. I liked the blues and the greens, and it's just kind of pretty. So I'll be using this. I'll use the sampler, the header for the days of the week, and then thin washi. So that has been my go-to. I pulled some of my stickers that I would need, so I'm not flipping in and out of the sticker books. And then I needed some of these, so I just grabbed the whole sheet. So this is my cover. I think I chose the colorway, and then I put Never Grow Up on it, a nod to Peter Pan. And then, so let's move our bookmark from last week. Isn't that pretty? I love the spread. Let me move it over so you can see it. I guess I need to move the stickers over a little bit so those are all in frame. Let me move this here too. All right, let's see here. That's a little bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna move the bookmark over. We will put it in. This is the last full week of January, or is this? No, second last week of January. I only have one Post-it note in, which means I'm gonna be doing a lot from memory, trying to figure out, okay, what all do we have? But I'm just gonna set it up and jump in. So I love doing the Plan With Me's in December. It was a lot to do every day. I learned a lot. I learned that I've got to get better with camera angles. So I've learned how to straighten the camera angle out a little bit, but you live and learn, right? That's the whole goal of life, is to get better, not to just settle and not to beat yourself up over it when things aren't perfect, but it's to continually get better, to be the best versions of ourselves. So I'm gonna put these, I've noticed Planner Kate made these little dots a little tinier for the week spread. Before I put those on, I think I like doing the thin washi first, and it's really hard to pick. This grayscale one will be the thick washi that I'm gonna use at the bottom. So I think I'm gonna use this green to bring the green to carry through. And I actually like to do it right here, cover the date. So I actually have to put this on first, and then I'll put the dates above it, just to utilize all the space. Sorry, my chair is like super squeaky. So let's do the other side over here. Are you guys having a good January? Are you surviving or are you thriving? I feel like the holidays, it was like a race to Christmas, but it was just so crazy. I feel like we were all looking for joy wherever we could find it. It just felt crazy. I feel like the climate of the world is just looking for some peace. I don't know how you guys are feeling, but that's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling like we just need some peace. And we want a sense of normalcy, and I don't even know if we'll ever get that, you know? Like, are we ever gonna go back to normal? I'm not sure. But I'm trying to find routine at home. I'm trying to control what I can control, and I'm finding that is giving me peace. That is not straight. That's giving me peace, is controlling what I can control. Giving grace to myself has been important too, to not be so hard on myself, because I don't know about you, I'm the hardest on myself. Nobody's harder on me than me. This is pretty. It's like a winter windowscape. So, love using one planner store for this planner for the year. It's become really easy to plan. It used to be very challenging for me to plan out a week. I'd have to really think about it, and I wouldn't necessarily know what to use. But now having like a kit, it's like, okay, this goes here, this goes there, and it's been really enjoyable. I'm kind of surprised that I've been doing this every week since I bought the planner in July. But again, with the state of the world, I guess it's been nice to have something that I can control, something that I can do, and I can count on. So this has been really enjoyable for me. How are you doing? How are you guys surviving or thriving right now? Are you guys doing okay? And then how do you keep yourself going? I found having some set routines has been really, really helpful. Because there's a lot that we just can't count on these days, right? Okay, I think I'm going to do, now I'm like looking at it going, okay, what's happening here, where? All right, I know I'm doing my call at 12 o'clock with my team. I know that at 9 o'clock I'm doing a workout. I know that at 10 o'clock there's a call. I know at 9 and 11. Actually, I'm not doing a call this day because it's a holiday. Okay. I know that, let me grab these stickers here. Thursday night is date night, but Friday night is Disney movie night is what we've been doing. So let's put this here. Got date night, this is movie night. We started this the week before where we did a movie, and then I have a Disney cookbook that I got. So we're making a Disney recipe. So we'll be doing that this night. I'm not sure what we're gonna do for lunch yet, but I like planning out our Sunday lunch because we usually go out. And we're gonna do our Zoom workout on Saturday. So our Rise Up Nation online fitness squad, we do a Zoom workout every Saturday, and I love that. Actually, I really look forward to that, connecting with our girls. So we have a meeting here and a meeting here. And Sunday nights, I like to fill up the car with gas for the week. And Saturday nights, I like to do a face mask or my toes, something fun. This is for church. We're gonna put church right here because there's always something going on Sunday with church. All right, I think we have a good start. So this is at 9 a.m. This is at 9 and 11. And 10 a.m. is our National Wake Up Call business meeting. Okay. All right, I think the trash has moved to now Mondays. We just started with a new trash provider in the new year, and I'm still not used to it. I have to like look it up. And Martin Luther King Day means that there is no school. But we are gonna go shopping at outlets somewhere. So I'm gonna put shopping here. All right, we also have trash day is on Thursday now, as well as payday is on Thursday for Beachbody. We get paid every Thursday. All right, so much, trying to fill in so much. All right, we're gonna put the little bit of a car here. All right, so now let's fill in the kids' schedules, and I'm gonna use these pencils to put in who's doing what when. So I know on Thursday, let's see which color looks the best. I'm trying to find like the lightest blue. It's probably this one. The green doesn't look like it matches too good, but I guess I could use it if I run out of blues. So Thursday, Charlotte has piano. So I'm gonna grab one of these C's that I had ordered. I'm gonna put that just above it. Put this music note. She has piano, so we'll put that here. And on Tuesday, I'm picking her up at 3:30. Let me put that there. Charlotte has, that is not straight. Charlotte has, so I'll put 3:30. Has math. And then one more, because she has so much going on this week, she is working with her dad on Wednesday. So she is a busy week, this girl. All right, I'm gonna grab another C here. And then I'll just put with one. Okay, so now I'm going to do, let's pick another blue because we're out of blues. I think, or that blue that I was using. On Monday and Friday, oh, this is Friday, we're gonna have Ethan ride the bus. Trying to figure out where to put the bus. Maybe I'll put it underneath it and I'll put Ethan above it. Or maybe on the side. Bus. And then we're gonna do the same on this one because he's gonna ride the bus with his cousin, which he loves to do. All right, now I think I want to put in dinners. I need my ruler, here it is. And let's grab this pretty blue. I like this. Let's take this no school off. Oh, Monday there is no school. See, this is, there is no school, but he's gonna wanna ride the bus more than once. So maybe we'll do that Wednesday or Tuesday. Tuesday might be better because I have meetings those days, then I don't have to rush to pick him up. So we're gonna ride the bus this day. Okay, glad I caught that. All right, so for dinner, I think I saw Happily a Housewife do this with the highlighter, and I like that it didn't clog up the planner of using the highlighter. It kind of is, it's a pretty option. Okay, and then I have some fork, and I'm gonna do fork and knife. I'm gonna do that at the beginning, and I'm gonna do that at the beginning of this one. And then I can plan out meals when we do groceries. I am going to do laundry, even though we're gonna go to the outlets when we get home. I like to do laundry on Mondays. I think I'm gonna just put this here. No, I like it on top of a sticker. There's something about layering stickers that just makes it pretty. Bulks up your planner, but it sure is pretty. Okay, so laundry day will be here. I will plan out the meals if I grocery shop before or during. I usually do my grocery shopping on Wednesday, so we'll see. We'll see. Sometimes I do it on Sunday night before too. But for here, I'm gonna do it first thing in the morning at 8. I love doing groceries in the morning when there's not a lot of people there. Anybody else? Okay, and on Monday morning, I'm definitely gonna get in my planner before we go shopping and plan the following week, because that's always fun. And then let's do a to-do for house. I'm gonna do this right here. I've been liking having a to-do list for the week here, and I think I'm gonna use these little asterisks. No, I like checking them off. Let's do gray and blue. All right, so we're going to, oh my goodness, sorry. Had like a tickle and all of a sudden I was like, oh no. Vacuum, bathrooms, like every morning I do the kitchen and our bedroom. Vacuum, bathroom, and I love to organize all the spaces, but I don't know if I'm gonna put that on here. And probably groceries and laundry. I know I have them already on the schedule, but sometimes it just feels good to check it off. Okay, so groceries and laundry. All right, and so Thursday night, my hubby and I are gonna go out and we'll bring the kids food home, and I'm gonna look in the recipe book for our Disney movie night, and we're gonna make something Disney that day. Oh, the 23rd at 1:30. I think I'm gonna use this one because it's we're gonna have a, the guys are going to like a monster truck thing with other dudes. A monster truck, which means my daughter and I can do coffee time. All right, where are my Disney stickers? Let's find that. We could do a little girl thing. We could go for coffee. Oh, I opened it up right to the right spot. Girl time. All right, which one do I like? I think I like this one with Snow White. So that means Charlotte and I could go, we can go get coffee. That was kind of cool. All right. I'm looking to see if there's anything else. I've found the last few weeks, I'm not even using this space. It's just like a blank, empty space. I don't know. All right. I think that's gonna do it for right now. Thank you guys for hanging out. Hopefully I didn't miss anything, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. And hopefully each Thursday I will have a new planner video for you guys. I'm gonna try to do different ones, either planning in my daily duo or showing you the monthly spread or even doing our weekly spread, just something different. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.